enemy, public enemy number one. Don't you know?
So you think FHA financing might be the way for you to buy a house, but you got friends, relatives, or real estate agents telling you about chipping and peeling paint? Come on, we can get around that. Hey, it's your buddy, it's your mortgage guy, Jamie Millhiser here. Let's talk about public enemy number one when we're talking FHA financing. It's chipping and peeling paint. Now, what happens with a lot of our first-time homebuyer clients is they hear from, like I said, either their family, their friends, or their real estate agent that they want to stay away from FHA financing due to the fact that the appraisals are a lot harder to get done than other conventional financing. Truth be told, it's not just FHA. It's FHA, VA, and USDA all underwrite collateral or the property you're going to buy to what's called HUD guidelines. Now, what does that mean? That means they hate chipping and peeling paint. And that's about it. That's your public enemy number one on a conventional appraisal like Fannie Mae or Freddie Mac or a local bank's loan versus FHA, VA, or USDA. Most of the other problems or limitations that used to be put on HUD-approved property have gone to the wayside. The big buzzword is chipping and peeling paint. Now, the reason that we direct all of our first-time homebuyers, or at least 9 out of 10, to the FHA, VA, or USDA loans is because 9 out of 10 first-time homebuyers, that's the best loan program for them, either due to credit score, debt ratio, or down payment. So you're greatly limiting yourself as a homebuyer by not pursuing these loan programs due to issues you might have heard about property or the appraisals. So let's start here. What the heck is chipping and peeling paint? Well, here's a good example. There's another one. Anytime you see chipping and peeling paint, anything that's bubbling, cracked, has fallen off, usually on the exterior of the property, it's going to have to be addressed prior to the close of escrow on a property. Where do you commonly find chipping and peeling paint? The normal suspects are usually exterior trim, around windows, especially those little basement windows, garage door trim, and door trim. Now, how do we get it resolved? Here's the good news. You don't exactly have to be Picasso to get this stuff straightened out enough so HUD doesn't turn their nose up to your deal. We've had hundreds of clients either work it out with their seller, they do it themselves, or even the real estate agents get involved, and there's one day where everybody's out there scraping and painting. It only has to be the primer, and we just have to make sure we pick up the paint flakes before the appraiser comes through. FHA, VA, and USDA are dynamite loan products for either first-time homebuyers or even the move-up, move-down buyers. And to say bye-bye to those loan programs because you're worried about chipping and peeling paint, you're doing yourself a heck of a disservice. If you or your loved ones have any questions about making a property work to HUD guidelines for financing, feel free to reach out to the team or I right here. As you know, the team always responds. This is Jamie Millhiser, saving you Jack on your shack.
We don't got any Dutch boy, but we got a Dutch girl. Maybe she'll help you, Pete. Follow me on Twitter.